Hi, I'm Wendy Harman, Director in the Global Public Sector Group. I focus on health and human services in state and local governments throughout the Americas. I've been at ServiceNow for about 2 years, and ServiceNow is the AI platform for government transformation. Yeah, well, there's a lot of them, right? I think one of the things is that we kind of developed government in an analog time, and now we live not only in a digital time, but also an AI-enabled time. And so all of government operations is still living in that analog world, even though we've digitized a lot of it. So I think we're really on the precipice of having an enormous opportunity to really embrace the AI revolution, to rethink and reimagine how government services actually work and meet people. I think that what would signal that is if AI and all of the systems in those operations I was just talking about and processes actually meet people where they are automatically. So that means that agentic AI agents are actually talking to each other and solving problems end to end in a single phone call or interaction. I think it also means that maybe search on websites doesn't even have to exist anymore because there's so much intuitive keyword entry that you would actually get the answer that you're looking for without having to search through pages and pages of website information. The same old advice that I think everybody always gives, which is fail fast and frequently and take on small experiments. I know that's really hard to do in government because we're not organized in a way that encourages those kind of experimentation or failure at all. We're really encouraged in government to spend money once and have it succeed. And so I think there's going to have to be some, and there has been over the last decade or so, and hopefully more moving forward, appetite and change in that structure of how government operates, that we're actually able to create small experiments and pilots and scale from there. I think it's the definition of a partner, right? Rather than a discrete project doer. I think that long-term partners can really co-innovate, co-develop, co-design with the government over a long period of time. And I almost said we heard today. I think I've heard lots of people talking about how this digital transformation takes a commitment. It is not a one and done. There is not an end to transformation or modernization. We are always going to be in a process of iterative improvements or leapfrogging improvements in efficiency and effectiveness as government. So I think what it means is that you're locked arm in arm and built trust, and you can really move forward together on an aligned path that helps you reach goals both really near term and far term. I would say talk to ServiceNow. We have a platform that actually allows you to connect into those legacy systems so you don't have to get rid of them, but can have a completely new experience. We use a term called the swivel chair syndrome. So almost every single government worker gets to work in the morning and has to kind of log into 10 or 12 or 20 or 25 different apps in order to get their jobs done. And the ServiceNow platform actually brings all of those together into a single pane of view, so you never have to actually go search for that, and the data is all there. So I would say come talk to ServiceNow.